There's welcome you all. In this video we are going to print a G pattern using Python. So our G pattern will look like this only. This is G pattern. So to print this G pattern we are going to use Python language, and as usual Python for two for loop. For first for loop for rows, this is our rows. Okay, this is rows, and second for loop for the columns. So total we have 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, total 6 rows, and 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 columns. Okay, so let's start. First of all, first create a for loop for rows in, okay, this is not capital, it should be small because Python is a case sensitive. For rows in range of 7, since it is start from 0 to 6, so we have to put here 7 because it takes n minus 1. The loop will run till n minus 1. Okay, now the second for loop for the columns in range of, this will be also 7 till 7. Okay, now if condition. Now first of all we want this first row should be fully print with the asterisk star. Okay, so for if I equals to 0, then we want to print full star. Okay, then after that, or j equals to 0, since j is our, okay, this ij, just a minute, for rows, and this our j is right column. Okay, so row equal to 0 we want full star, and if column equals to 0, this line, this one, this is our first column that is assigned as a 0 index. Okay, if column equal to 0, then also print. Okay, then or, and then bracket, then if I equals to 6. Okay, if I equals to 6, and okay, not I, we have taken 0, since I have a habit of playing with the I and j only, so it's getting mess. Okay, so if row equals to 6 and column is less than 3, if row equals to 6 and column is less than 3, means what? This one, this pattern. Okay, then print it. Or if j means row, okay, if row equals to 3 and no, not row, just a second, will not row. If, okay, let it be row only. Okay, if row equals to 3 and, okay, I am typing here column and saying row. Okay, no, column if equal to 3 and row equals to greater than 3, then print our pattern. Okay, or if row equals to 4, if row equals to 4 and column equals to 5, then print stars. Or if column equals to 6 and row greater than 3. Okay, I hope it is visible, since now it is visible with this much. So if this all condition is true, then we want to print a print star. Okay, and I am using this end. Why we use this end? Because to print all the pattern in a single line. This if condition will run in, this if condition run, it will print all the star in single line for first line only. Okay, and if it is, if condition is false, then we use else print space. Okay, and same for this, we continue. After it, print the space. That's it. Let's once again check our code. For row in a range 7, for column in a range 7, perfect. And if a row equals to okay, I hope it is correct. Let's run it and try. What about means in, just run it. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Very perfect. We got a G pattern here. You can see it. So hope you like this video and you have learned how to print a G pattern using Python. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming patterns. Okay, we will cover all A to Z pattern. If you have not watched my previous video, go and watch. You will get all the pattern from A to G till now. Okay, thank you.